How to find activity logs settings on Hubspot easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find it. First open your browser and then here you will find this icon settings here in the top corner. Click on it and then click account defaults, and here we'll find security, and then here we'll find setup single sign-in, and here you can see activity logs, and here you can manage view account login history and export HubSpot employee access history and view security activity history, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.